I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Instagram and landing on your profile grid. Tap the specific post whose views you want to adjust. Once done, check whether the account is public or private because visibility affects view counts. Make sure the app is updated to avoid feature differences and confirm you own the post. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right of that post to reveal management options. This first step gets you into the controls where you can change who sees and interacts with the content. You now choose how to remove views, archive, delete, or limit audience. Once in the three-dot menu, select Archive to remove the post from your grid immediately while preserving likes and comments privately. This prevents new views from the grid. If you want to stop all views, delete the post, but note deletion is permanent. Alternatively, make your account private to limit future viewers. Make sure to understand each choice's permanence and visibility consequences before moving forward. Finish by confirming your archive or delete action and return to the profile to verify the grid no longer shows the post. You should see it removed instantly if archived. Once done, check Insights to confirm view trends have stopped increasing for that content. If you still see views or the post remains visible, force close the app, clear cache, or update Instagram and try again. If problems persist, log out and back in to refresh account state before repeating the action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.